Welcome to Cocktail Fundamentals. Today we're going to talk about the three basic types of cocktail preparation: shaken, stirred, and built. So for shaken cocktails, you're going to take your cocktail shaker, add your ingredients, add your ice, and then shake it all together. And then when you're done shaking, you're going to take your strainer and you're going to strain it directly into your serving glass. Shaken cocktails are usually cocktails that have lemon juice, lime juice, some type of fruit juice in them. The shaking helps mix that all together. The second type of preparation is stirred cocktails. So you take your mixing glass, a cocktail spoon or bar spoon, stir it around with some ice, and then use your strainer and strain it into your glass. Stirred cocktails are generally going to be cocktails that have no fruit juice. Usually it's just pure spirits, something like a Manhattan. And then finally, you have built cocktails. Built cocktails are going to be built directly into your serving glass. Often it's a rocks glass, sometimes it's a Collins glass or a wine glass, depending on the cocktail. You're not going to see a martini glass or a coupe glass or any of those cocktails served up as a built cocktail, because you need to shake those or you need to stir those. So for built cocktails, you do it directly into your serving glass. Doesn't require as much equipment. So if you're interested in getting started making cocktails at home, this is a great place to start. Cocktails that are built directly into the serving glass. So if you want to see some more content about cocktail fundamentals, please leave some comments below. Let us know what you'd like to see. And make sure to hit subscribe, hit that like button, hit notifications, and we hope to help you start making drinks at home. And strain it into your not your mixing glass. You're going to strain it into your serving glass. What am I saying?